What's up everyone? It is Kay here. Welcome back to my channel. I just went to Trader Joe's and I just got a bunch of good stuff that I am planning on using in some meals that follow food combining. So I think what I'm going to do today is just show you what I got, and then as the week goes on I'll show you what I make with it and how it follows food combining and everything like that. So on that note, let me show you guys what I got. So my friend M actually recommended these to me. They are plantain chips from Trader Joe's, and the ingredients are very clean, just plantains, sunflower oil, and salt. And then I got like a fun flavor because these are jerk style plantain chips, and when I was student teaching in Belize, we would always get plantain chips and put hot sauce on them. They're so bomb, so I'm hoping that this has like a little spice. Spinach, I typically like just use this for smoothies, but my mom also wanted spinach because she uses it in the salads. So these are the Veggie Burgers that I love. They're from Trader Joe's, and they have very minimal ingredients, but they do contain soy, which I do have a high sensitivity to, so I don't feel like I get bloated after having these, and I do try to limit my soy. This is honestly like the only thing lately that I've been eating that has some soy in it, but yeah. I'm gonna try to find something better than these, but a lot of times it's sacrificing like cost-effective convenience for something that's a little bit more expensive and maybe not quite as convenient and quick, but we'll figure it out. But these taste amazing, and I feel like if you have them like once a week, it's not that bad. So as long as it's not like consuming soy consistently every day, then I don't feel too bad about it. But these are just something that I like to have on hand too, for like just those days where you're like, I literally don't have time to make anything. Then, ooh, I'm excited about these. So these are steamed lentils, ready to eat, warm or cold. And yes, I should buy my own lentils and cook them up. And these days I've just been so busy with work, and I just need things that are quicker and easier, and so I'm really excited to try this with like some veggies and whatnot. And lentils are very high in protein too, so if you are worried about protein intake, those lentils and lentils in general are just a good option. These are just apples. I forget what kind they are, but these are from my mom. I haven't been eating apples lately. I've been more on like a berry kick. Then my favorite are Persian cucumbers. They're just so good. Like, they just taste way better to me than any other cucumber. And I legit grew up on these because my dad is from Iran, so Persian cucumbers. Ooh, this stuff, been having it like all year. The first time I saw it in Trader Joe's, I love this. It's so good on pasta. I literally usually just make pasta with a bunch of veggies. Usually, actually, not a bunch of veggies. I usually pick one, like either broccoli or cauliflower, and then I throw this on with nutritional yeast, and it is so filling, satisfying, so good. This I'm very excited to try because I am a buffalo fanatic. Actually, we could do a little test taste right now if we want to. I'm gonna use the plantain chips. So, mind you, food combining really does work well for me, but I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that I do it 100% of the time. I do it like 90% of the time. Like, out of a week, I have probably like 5 perfect days, and then there will be times like this where I don't think about it and I just try something and yes, I hope it doesn't like make me feel bloated or whatnot, but this is just what I want to do in this moment. And if a friend asks me to like go on a walk and then go get ice cream, if that's what I want to do, I'm going to do it. I typically don't eat dairy, but every now and then I'm someone that I need balance in my life, so I feel like there's like a spectrum, and wherever you are on it, your happiness should come first, and things like doing things with your friends are good for your mental health. So if it means like you might have a little bloat one night, to me at least, it's worth it for the sake of friendship and just doing things that make you happy. So anyways, these are the plain plantain chips and the buffalo hummus. Definitely has really good spice. Very good spice. So bomb. And these plantain chips are just like so plain, but just perfectly crunchy. So, coconut water. This is by Trader Joe's, and it's coconut water with aloe vera juice. The reason why I love this is because aloe vera is very good for digestion. I learned this a really long time ago when, I don't know if I've told you guys this already or not, because I don't know when this video will go up or if it will go up, whatever. This was very just random. But so when I worked at a vegan juice bar, like I learned about so many things, like just food, superfoods, and just I learned so much like random little information. And so aloe vera, when you consume it, it lines, I may pronounce this wrong, the cilia in your digestive tract, and like it's basically like supposed to act like a lubricant, and just make digestion easier. So a lot of people do put, like, if you see like those big aloe leaves at the grocery store, people like put a chunk in it in their smoothie, and I think that's really cool. But I just thought this was awesome that this was already like infused in the coconut water, because I use coconut water for a smoothie pretty often, and yeah, if I can get a little aloe in, why not? And don't quote me on all of that information. I will insert something if I said anything wrong, but that is just what I remember off the top of my head. But yeah, anyways, that is the end of this random little grocery haul, and I'm planning on like showing you how I use some of this stuff during the week for recipes and stuff like that. So yeah, I will see you when I make something. What's up, guys? So I just got home from work and I'm making some dinner, and I'm using some of the stuff I got from Trader Joe's. I just want to show you. To eat cold or serve warm lentils, and I'm gonna warm these up in the microwave. Then I'm steaming some cauliflower, and all I'm gonna do is mix it all together, add tomato sauce and nutritional yeast, and that's a meal that follows food combining, because vegetables combine well with starches. Guys, so this is the final thing. Lentils, cauliflower, tomato sauce, and nutritional yeast. I had this the other day and it was so bomb, and I'm so excited to have it again. What's up, guys? I just wanted to quickly show you one of the meals that I am packing for lunch using one of the items from the Trader Joe's haul. It's some chickpea pasta and broccoli, and I'm just gonna put a dollop of vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto on it. This is from Whole Foods, but Trader Joe's also carries nutritional yeast as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm ending this video here right now. Another meal that I'll insert a picture of was just, I have 2 Dr. Prager's veggie burgers with a side of veggies, and that's one of my go-to lunches. That's just really quick, easy, and filling. And I also don't do measurements for any of my cooking. I kind of just cook what I think I'll eat and try to incorporate as many veggies as possible. The only recipe in here that I do follow measurements is just the smoothie, so that I get the consistency that I like. I will leave that recipe down below, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!